What I like to do sometimes to emphasize a section of my track is to add a orchestra hit or a timpani hit. So just take a listen to this section of a track. Now take a listen to it with the timpani hit. What that does is emphasize a section of the track. So this is a chorus of the track. So as you can see here, there isn't a timpani or orchestra hit before or after that. If you have a sample pack, or if you're looking for samples that can make this sort of sound, just search for something either called orchestra or timpani. So for example, I've got thousands of samples. So I'm going to just type in orc for orchestra. And so now you can just preview the samples by selecting them. Some of them are reverse and backwards. So if you type in, say, for example, timpani, you could get a lot more samples like that. And you're probably going to have quite a few of these in your sample packs. And once again, if you don't have them, you can just search for them for free on the internet. And if you like them, you can buy whole sample packs and then just go with your ears. So for example, this particular sample here, when it was first brought in, it but it wasn't in pitch. So if we just take it back to its original pitch, it would sound like this. It would sound like this. So I had to increase pitch by 4. Then it was just a matter of cutting and pasting those into the right position. As I say, use your ear for the right position. And then what I did here at the end is I took the same sample, but I just reversed it. So let's just solo that. If we go into the track itself, I just added a delay. So this is a Replica XT delay. And I just used a standard dotted delay. And the other thing about a dotted delay is you want to make sure you got the right feedback and the right mix. Otherwise, it can just sound overwhelming, or it may not sound like enough. So you just want to use your ear when it comes to using a delay. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I've got so many more.